what programming language is good for web development? So it's a tricky question as well. So it's not actually fixed that you need that specific language or technology to develop a website or your website, but to be honest, you can pick one of the famous languages or technologies going around. It could be PHP Laravel, it could be Stack, it could be Python Django, it could be something else. But I assure that if you select a language that is famous, that is top around the world, then it's pretty easy to find a software agency, software developer, or support, or any regarding the development. You'll find a lot of support. That's because it's famous and people are actually practicing it. So this is one thing to consider. Then let's say you picked a very good language for your website, but your software developer didn't do well. So that way it could become a mess. So you will have to make sure that the agency or the software developer you are hiring, they know enough and they can do enough work for the website to work it well. So this is another thing to consider. If your agency or software developer actually don't do well, then whatever the language you pick, it won't do good. So then this is the two thing to keep in mind. You will easily find software developers if the language or technology of the platform is famous. You will find support around the world very easily if it's pretty available. And one thing I often try to say that you can mess with a good programming language and you can do well with a bad programming language. But for website, typically PHP, Python, JavaScript, Node.js, these kind of things are pretty famous. For mobile, there is Dart or the Flutter technology is pretty famous, and then there is Kotlin, the native Android, and there is the Swift for iOS. So it actually there is a relevance between language and the technology and the platforms, but you would ideally want to pick a famous one and a software developer, software agency. That is how the it is being ensured that the website will be good. So I hope this answered the question. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Mosharraf Hussain. I am creating these knowledge sharing videos. If you want to watch more, click on the hashtag Mosharraf Share that is in the caption. Thank you so much for watching again.